This is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, you'll learn about the List Asset Migrations node. The List Asset Migrations node retrieves a list of Catenis Smart Assets that you've previously migrated and that satisfy the search criteria you provide, and returns the status and other information about these assets. Name the node in the name field and set your Catenis virtual device in the connection field. In the Asset ID field, enter the ID of an asset you have previously migrated. Select the foreign blockchain you are searching for. Select the direction of migrated assets you want to find. You can migrate units of a Catenis Smart Asset outward to a foreign blockchain, after which you'll be able to convert these units inward from the foreign blockchain back into Catenis Smart Assets. In the status field, enter a single status or a comma-separated list of statuses such as pending, success, error, etc. Your search will be filtered to include these statuses. In the negate status field, enter a single status or a comma-separated list of statuses. In the start date field, specify the start date of the period you wish to see the history of. In the end date field, specify the end date of the period you wish to view the history of. In the limit field, specify the maximum number of issuances returned. This field is optional. In the skip field, specify the number of issuances to skip. This field is also optional. Great! Now you should understand the List Asset Migrations node. In our next tutorial, you'll learn how to use this node in your own flow.